before I talk about what happened at the stadium, let me thank Madam Her Excellency Ida Odinga and Her Excellency Martha Karua for coming to Kisii today. The day was a beautiful day until we reached the stage of getting to the stadium. I think those who watched from the time that we started, from the time that our two great ladies came from the GBF center that we went to the hospital and the two areas that they inaugurated, the Doctors Plaza and the Mother-Child Hospital, which is a big hospital, over 300 beds. I think it was a great day up to that time. A function had been arranged at the stadium, because prior to that they talked to over 10,000 people at the Kisii roundabout, the center of town, and there was a beautiful meeting there. There was supposed to be a meeting only for ladies, for our mothers and our sisters, those who wanted to talk to the two great ladies. And we had arranged that at the stadium. And by morning, there were between 5,000 and 10,000 ladies. It's extremely unfortunate. We had gone on radio, had gone on TV, local TV, and indicated that the function at the stadium was strictly for ladies. But it's extremely unfortunate that one of the gubernatorial candidates decided that, and I think took very many young men there, broke the gate to the stadium. When they were told the young men couldn't go in, they broke the gate. It's extremely unfortunate. I do hope that what has happened, when the gate was broken down, of course the youth went in. And fairly unruly youth, where a place where our mothers and our sisters, some extremely elderly, some with conditions, were seated, and they didn't understand what was going on. The place essentially actually became unruly. I would want to say I do hope that the police are investigating, but all this could not have happened if the place was as organized as we had indicated, as we had wanted it to be. I sincerely apologize on behalf of the Kisii County residents to Mama Ida and Her Excellency Martha Karua for what happened. I had already talked to them during the day, invaded, and we no longer were going to, had been planned, and it was a beautiful meeting. The ladies were essentially waiting to talk to them. I would want to urge those who are standing for any position, elective position, I'm retiring myself, but those who are standing for an elective position, please, let's be decent. For now, we are looking for our votes because we can endanger other human beings. I have a number of enforcement officers from the county who are putting order when mayhem occurred. A number of them are critically injured. We have several ladies also critically injured, and it's the police who will get to the bottom of this matter. But as everybody knows, and as everybody could see, Kisii County is 100% Azimio. It's 100% for the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga. Anybody with eyes could see. I think what happened was extremely unfortunate, and it shouldn't have happened because of the mixture of young men in a situation where you had elderly ladies and other people. As for the tear gas that went off, we would want the police to tell us what happened, because it's an extremely unfortunate incident. Otherwise, to all the Kenyans, just do know that I've been a governor of this county for the last almost close to 10 years, and this is the most peaceful county that you can think about. It's beautiful, a land of matoke, and a beautiful place. I sincerely apologize to Kenyans for what happened. I thank you all. Is there anybody with any question? Esaba gusiba minto esmwaika oyino mugabana ino James Ongwae una mumanye tena achika abarai Martha Karua noyo minto Excellency Aida Odinga bachega aiga una baigete mambia twatwara ritukuligi yari yogukumya twagenda asitwagenda chinse kya mambia enyomba erosiri n'omuswati Janet Ongera esitomo etaba osaba okorega asi esaba swati bali okonyora abandi bayitiru nyomba abandi abana okonyora abasacha bara amasiasi basaliri abana barabake ntwaba irorore sente ngiya sana esibara bakogenda bamenya even for a month bakaba katwakora kuruororo twagenda capital roundabout bakwanira abagusi barenga abange barenga almost close to 10,000 people bantu barenga abange sana babakwanira buya twagenda Nyagitari barayo babere mbago kigwane Nyagitari yabange na narosiri ya 350 beds na Doctors Plaza mbachi gora chionsi ekero twaruororo noneka twarengera roundabout inatebya bantu bonsi barengo n'abate abaraya baita abaswati ababanene Excellency Martha Karua na Aida Odinga nkogenda bari stadium bakigokwanira abaswati boka abasacha abaiga n'abamura timogende stadium na ndi muinyorete nga igorona inatwarete press conference na ndi nkabatenga abasacha n'abamura kimuranche timogende stadium mutige meeting yeyo ne yabaswati baito tigabachikugama n'abaswati abandi abanene oyo mobwa bali abakoriyo bugavana niga acha chinse kya mugaso ekero tokale Nyagitari ekera abamura arenge na baro bakani ngamba igo swaime barete rori baimukie gate egi stadium babe ko yangu gate ekyo asagwa iguka abamura abo baswaima abana barenga abandi abake abandi kora banyweta marua abandi kinyasore abandi bari usengaki bono basoesa abangi n'abakuru baikaransete abaswati baikaransete abaswati yani yaba bunerongoli basaria mukutano uyu ekero to ikoro twanyoro mukutano usaregete otari mukutano bw'abaswati n'abangi n'abana abaswa n'abangi n'abami our mothers and and sisters igorenge egento ke gesaregete nchengo batebiga abagusi ba mindo n'abatebi nande muisonde nande abatebi rero anga batebi nga obugambi obwagusi nko bosali mule kiara nguchengera mule mono obuga burayi burabasoja kwa bobube igamangana naro rero nche nanya korora gaiga nje nabatebi abagusi ba mindo nande abagusi ba Kisii County nande nko batebia tagetemba tebi nande ayopunga nande nja ko batebi elinde abantu abakoliyo burayi abande kamba leto bonyire county ye nuna baligere iringo ikakaba leto bonyire county ye kyara ebikoro byabo bire ebikoro byekiana ebikoro bire complete ebikoro byekiana ikiagera a meeting ere yabaswati ayo mutu onye ndiyo kolegasi mutu okolegasi buronka bisoro umuntu ole nomo nkiagoro akoligia abamuraba sinini abande banyweta maru abande bali ohiro chiko babeke sabangi na baikaranste gati abangi na baikaranste batete ko ukwane no mongi no ndo mwabo yani igonga kibono nga kyota getai yani nga wikabworo kinga nayo isaini abantu bande baisaini igo ontagete ko bateye abagusiba mintonga nchetinko gandere kabire nande yiga abayigeranye n'abante kabire mu kigwakere kikura abayiga mbayisaini completely mbayisaini baito nande mbayisaini abagusi abanyomo kontegerera montegerere abambayisaini completely ngosali mole egesa kuketo kyo mugusi onye mukutoko chora abante kabire ekiagara tinkoreta abageni bane gaiga abageni abanene nditumaye ko chako babekero bonyire kabire tingo take ibintu bire kabire igo narainata kubatebia ngotebia natebire sinakwanise gisungu natebire pole ase nation yaito ya Kenya na natebire pole ese oyo amuswati Aida Odinga na Martha Karua abagusi ba minto mutigare buya na ni Nyasaye abakonya. Thank you very much. Is there anybody with any question? I thank you very much and be blessed.